Did you watch the girls' game too, Allie?
No, I just, we just watched the boys.
Okay.
The girls played earlier today.
All right.
Did you tell Graham?
We tried to. M called her, and they're not home, so we're not sure where they are.
Did she comment on your post?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, she did.
Yeah.
What'd she say?
She's like, yeah, weak.
She'll love her when she meets her. How can you not?
I know. Her face is so cute. Said cute, yes.
That's a squeaky in that container.
Are you on your phone or?
Fine. You want to see what they're doing?
Yeah. Teddy! Hey, Ted! Aw. She is too cute. Look at her.
He's not
I think
snarling.
He's not snarling.
Like, I think he's better because he's in the house.
Right. He doesn't like it when she gets near his face.
Oh. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Look, his lip. Oh my gosh. Darcy. So she's been staying already?
She's what? Oh yeah, she was just recently spayed, so we have to keep her kind of quiet.
Well, that's done and over with.
Darcy.
Oh, Em, your camera's facing the wrong
So
way.
cute, Mommy.
She is. We feel like we've picked the right one.
Aw.
Look at that paw.
Look at it compared to my hand.
Yeah.
Here's my hand. I was gonna put it on your head.
She's like, I want it in my mouth.
Aw.
Oh, good girl.
Sad that I'm not there.
Oh.
Well, this is the next best thing.
I know.
His face butt. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
She has it. Her face butt.
Oh my gosh. Aw.
Oh.
She's so cute. Look at her wagging her tail. Her tail is going.
Yeah.
Darcy. She perked up when she hears her name.
Mm-hmm. She's going to Teddy now.
Oh my gosh.
She really likes him.
I know. I could tell earlier. She's like, I want to play.
Yeah, they were chasing each other in the yard earlier.
Has she met Ziva yet?
Ziva
No.
is completely freaked out.
Oh my. Of course.
She acted like she wanted to come in, and then she just ran under the house.
Look, he can squeak it.
No.
No.
Give her, let her have that back in her mouth.
Is she chewing
There
you
a
go.
rug or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aww.
Kitty.
How is it having your baby in the house again, Mommy?
Oh, not too
Find
bad.
out tomorrow.
Yeah, ask me tomorrow morning when she's had us up half the night.
Hey, bud. Oh, yes, we still love you. Yes, we do. Do you need to go out? Do you need to go out? Do you need to go out? Tell Allie you have to go out.
Do you want to go out too,
Oh.
Darcy?
Darcy wants to go too.
All right.
Come on, Kitty.
Oh, Zeeby's in.
Are you going to take her out?
No, I don't have shoes on.
All right.
Here, I'll take her.
Okay.
You talk to Allie.
Okay.
Here, come on.
Hi, Allie. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Look at her. She's like, no, don't make me go.
Alright. Have fun, Darcy. Have fun.
She's so funny. So funny. So what do you have for dinner? Mac and cheese? Is that all you have? Mac and cheese and hamburgers? All right. Who'd you have dinner with? Anybody fun?
Where's me?
Seriously? Did you eat by yourself? Oh, you went to the cafeteria? What the hell are you spending all that money for?
Hey, baby.